Good day to all learners of TV Eskwela DepEd Davao de Oro. I am Teacher Jovil T. Villarreiz from Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School, Nabunturan West District, and today I will be your teacher in TLE 9 Shielded Metal Arc Welding or SMAW. How are you? I hope you are in good health, safe, and sound. Are you excited for today's lesson? Very good! Please get your module ready together with your notebook and pen. The knowledge we have in previous lesson, set up welding machines, gives us an idea of what welding machine is. It is a device that provides electric current to electrode to join two base metals by means of coalescence to fuse two materials together. It is believed that welding machine has cables, wires, and other accessories. And today, let us continue our lesson on how to set up welding accessories. In this lesson, you should be able to first, identify welding cables, wires, and other accessories based on functions and uses. Second, perform setting, connecting of cables, and other accessories in accordance with manufacturer's manual. Third, follow welding setup safety procedures. But before we start our lesson, we will have a short activity called Labeled Me. I will show you an illustration of a welding machine. All you have to do is to identify and label the names of accessories and tools. I will give you 20 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. Time's up! Let us check your answers. You got it! Wow! Great! Welding machine consists of a power source with the accessories attached to it. Without these accessories, a welding machine will not perform its function. Welding accessories is an external device that can be added to main equipment, generating multiple functions to make it more useful, versatile, attractive. Before attempting to install to a welding machine, you should be familiar with these accessories before using the machine. First, welding cables. The welding cables conducts the power source to the work. The electrode cable is connected to the electrode holder, while the return cable is connected to the return clamp. It is designed for use in electric arc welding machines. To power an electrode, a specially designed metal rod that conducts a charge. The charge carried by the electrode is needed to produce an electric arc, the heat source between the electrode and the metals being welded. Second, grounding earthing clamps. It connects the grounding earthing cable from the welding machine to the base metals. The purpose of connecting the equipment enclosure to ground is to ensure that the metal enclosure of the welding machine and ground is at the same potential. When they are at the same potential, a person will not experience an electrical shock when touching the 2 points. All the welding current passes through the earth clamp. Without a good earth connection, the performance of the welder and the welding machine will be compromised. This can only mean one thing: an inferior quality welds. Third, electrode holders. It connects to the welding cable, then connects the welding current to the electrode. Electrode holder should be relatively light, fully insulated, and sturdy enough to withstand continual handling. Its function is to hold the electrode at the desired angle. Now that you already know the welding accessories and its uses, I am sure that you are ready to set up the welding accessories. I have here a short video clip on how to set up welding machine accessories. Very easy, right? Are you excited to perform it? Great! In your modules, you are given the procedure and performance level evaluation that will serve as your guide. Take a selfie while working on your performance task, for this will serve as your documentation in your outputs. But remember, before you start, you have to consider the following. Welding setup safety procedure. First, use proper personal protective equipment or PPE. Second, the arc welding should be properly placed at the work site and should be free from falling sparks. Third, the machine should be stacked to save space, but there must be room enough in the machine for the air to circulate, thus preventing hazards. Fourth, overheating. the air should be free from oil, dust, and metal fillings. Fifth, the power should be turned off periodically, and the machine should be cleaned after using. Sixth, the machine should be away from the cleaning tank and any other source of corrosive fumes that can be blown through it. Seventh, the workstation should be free from combustible materials. And lastly, 8. Check the surrounding before starting to weld. There should be a safety watch. A safety watch is a person who knows safety measures and who can warn another person in danger. For your another activity, please open your module on page 23. What I have learned. Read the directions carefully before answering. You must answer it on a different sheet of paper. If you encounter difficulties in answering the module, do not hesitate to ask for assistance from your parents or guardians, or even to call or text your teacher. That is all for today, and thank you for being with me. I hope you learned something new. Just continue learning and keep discovering new things in our new normal ways of learning here in Davao de Oro TV Eskwela. Once again, I am your teacher, Jovil T. Villarreiz of Nabunturan National Comprehensive High School, Nabunturan West District. Saying, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!